Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 Biochemistry Basic MCQs part 1st. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. The lower part of the collecting duct lies in the dash. Option A cortex, B medulla, C loop of Henle, and option D urinary bladder. So the correct option is B medulla. Explanation is the collecting duct begin in the cortex, pass down through the medulla and open into the renal pelvis. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. All of the following are sulfur containing amino acids found in protein except option A cysteine, B cysteine, C methionine, and option D threonine. So the correct option is D threonine. Threonine is a polar uncharged amino acid that contain a hydroxyl group, but it does not contain sulfur. Cysteine, cysteine, and methionine all contain sulfur. Bilirubin is the product of dash. Option A hemoglobin degradation, B metabolism in muscles, C calcium degradation, and option D myoglobin degradation. So the correct option is A hemoglobin degradation. Explanation is bilirubin is a yellow pigment produced from the breakdown of the heme portion of hemoglobin in the spleen and liver. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Hormones are chemical messengers secreted by option A endocrine organ, B endocrine and exocrine organ, C exocrine organ, and option D liver. So the correct option is A endocrine organ. Explanation is hormones are chemical messengers secreted into the blood by cells or group of cells typically belonging to endocrine gland, mean ductless glands. Increased serum alanine during fasting due to option A breakdown of muscle proteins, B decreased utilization of non-essential amino acids, C leakage of amino acid to plasma, and option D impaired renal function. So the correct option is A breakdown of muscle proteins. Muscle proteolysis release alanine for gluconeogenesis. A neutral amino acid is dash. Option A leucine, B lysine, C aspartic acid, and option D histidine. So the correct option is A leucine. Leucine has a nonpolar neutral side chain at physiological pH. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. So this is last MCQs. All proteins contain the dash. Option A same 20 amino acids, B different amino acids, C 300 amino acids occurring in nature, and option D only a few amino acids. So the correct option is A, same 20 amino acids. Explanation is the sequence of these 20 amino acids determine the protein structure and function, while more than 300 amino acids occur in nature. Only the standard 20 are typically incorporated during translation. Thank you for watching my videos.